Let's go through glycolysis step by step. We start with glucose, which enters the cell and is phosphorylated to form glucose 6-phosphate. From here, it can either continue through glycolysis or branch off into the pentose phosphate pathway. Next, glucose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6-phosphate, which is then acted on by phosphofructokinase enzymes, PFKA, PFKB, to produce fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This is the key committing step of glycolysis. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is then split into two 3-carbon molecules, dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. These interconvert, but glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate continues down the pathway. It's then converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, followed by 3-phosphoglycerate, and then 2-phosphoglycerate. From there, it becomes phosphoenol pyruvate, PEEP, which is finally converted into pyruvate. Pyruvate has two fates. Under aerobic conditions, it is converted into acetyl-CoA, which enters the TCA cycle to produce even more energy. Under anaerobic conditions, it can be converted to lactate. So overall, glycolysis breaks down one glucose molecule into two pyruvate molecules, generating ATP and NADH for the cell.